What up, y'all? Well, welcome back to Pretty Pate TV. I, your host, Sarah Lynn, to the motherfucking Harris. I'm gonna show you how I get these curls revived. As you can see, I've been having this in a bun. It's like my go-to style. So I'm gonna get ready for work. But obviously do my hair and then show you guys how I do my hair. So we're just gonna have a get ready with me hair, but get ready with me for work. Ugh. This is gonna be one of those cute little mini clips, so let's get into it. Okay, we're here. Boom. So we're about to eat. No, we're not. We're about to make some tea for the morning. So the first thing I usually do, because I don't like to eat in the morning, is make some tea. So this is thebomb.com. If you know, you know. If you don't, go ask your mom. And I'm dead serious. She probably know. One of my favorite flavors is this one. Sorry for hitting the camera. The red raspberry. The other one, I think I already used them all. The lemon ginger. But anyways, that's not what we're here for. We're here to get this motherfucking money by tomorrow. After I drink my tea, I literally scroll for a little bit. Oh, I also use honey in my tea. Sometimes I make regular tea, like milk tea. But recently, I'm really not even a milk fan anyways. Notice it's that, I just can't. So much going on. Usually I make this type of tea. Like, I don't really add milk no more. I used to add milk to my tea. And that was my go-to. Now it's more like honey with water. It's giving zen. I don't know when that broke, so we're just gonna pass by that too. So yeah, first I'm gonna obviously drink my tea for the morning. Oh, it looks spooky. I do have an interview today. So that's also really technically what I'm getting ready for hair-wise. Please, like, just disregard this. I'm not gonna keep flipping it around. It is what it is. Anyways, though, like I said, I have an interview at 4:30 to 5:30. So technically, I'm getting ready for this interview and work. It's a little bit of both. I'll obviously tell you guys how the interview goes. But right now, I currently work at Amazon gang. It's actually not that bad, guys. It's like I'm an overnight person, so sorry, I didn't mean to walk away. I'm an overnight person. I drink my tea with spoons. So like, this is actually my morning. I literally left my shift early yesterday. I normally get off at 5 o'clock. Last night I was gracefully up like in my bed at 5. So I'm getting a little bit of a start to the day. But like I said, I'm gonna show you guys how I rejuvenate these curls. Like, it's more so like a get ready with me hairstyle, because I just genuinely do not like. Does anybody else not do their hair for work? Because I'm definitely one of those people. Like, I will literally throw this thing in a bun, the same bun that I was in to go to bed. I'm gonna do it once, put the scrunchie over it, and I'm walking around with all those fuzzies out. Like, I just don't care. So that's kind of why my hair has this like weird dent, because like I said, I pull it up and then that's really where the bun is, so the curls kind of stay in the bun. But yeah, so I feel like I just talked for a little bit too much. So I'm gonna drink this tea, and when we come back, we're gonna get started on this wild ass shit right here. So let's go. I also forgot to show you guys real quick before we get into my little curly hair shit. I made it. It smells so good. I think you can see it. I made banana bread. So, since y'all don't know, I'm finna let y'all know. If there's one fruit your girl is literally banana over, it's bananas. So, cause me and my mom make smoothies at our house, obviously. So when we do make smoothies, and we left bananas for a little bit too long, I like them extra sweet. I'll definitely make some banana bread. I'm always gonna do that. So if you also want to see me chef it the fuck up, because your girl's like a baking fanatic also, like there's like so many different layers to me. So if you want to see that side of me, if you want me to show you guys how I make banana bread from scratch, which honestly it be chef's kiss bussin'. Like, one thing about me, I don't come to play. I'm not here to play. I'm not coming to put down no trash. I'm here to put and produce only good quality shit. So best believe that banana motherfucking bread tastes like what the fuck it's supposed to taste like, and then some. Now I could have used a little bit more sugar. I didn't have the right sugar, and that's how you know I'm being honest with you guys. Normally I use granulated sugar. This time I only had powdered sugar, so it's giving bread before cake, but normally it tastes like cake for me. Like I said, if you want to know what I'm doing over here, if you really want to figure it out if I'm chefing up or not, I'll definitely actually make one of those videos coming soon. Also, before I get into this damn curly haired video, your girl is about to be 20 motherfucking 3 in 2 weeks. Less than 2 weeks, in like a week and a half. On the 21st of April, it's my birthday. So if you see this video and it's after my birthday, it's okay. You can still say happy birthday. If you see it on my birthday, say happy birthday. Gang, gang. I'm about to finish this tea now after I had that wonderful little rant times 2. And we are going to motherfucking see each other after that. So let me just get this shit together. And then we're going to come back and reconvene. And we're back. So, like I said, this is my famous bun. I didn't even realize that I did it. That's how unconscious this shit is. So, untie. The first step, sorry about the sound because we're in my bathroom. Getting back into it. First step is to wet your hair. Now, again, I have curly hair, so there's a lot of different types of brushes. I'm not gonna go too into it. I'm just gonna give you the basics. This is the one I use when I wash my hair and I really need a good detangling. This is for when I get out the shower and I'm just trying to get all of my product distributed. This is when I'm done with all of it and I feel like, you know, I just want to get my curl pattern back because I've obviously been combing my, or brushing my hair, so it kind of does that like flattened out thing. You'll see when we go along with the steps. So like I said, step 1, wash my hair. One more other thing, it's like a weird point of view. You guys are actually on my sink, so I'm just gonna grab my towel real quick, gonna wet my hair in the shower or the tub, and then we'll get on to the next step. Wet my hair, so let me go do that real quick. Okay, so I'm back. The hair is wet. I'm just gonna leave it up here for a second. Let me go get my products. Hair is wet. You see live. It kind of tries to go back into some type of like curly form, but I don't have all this stuff in it. First, we are gonna put this in our hair. This is to moisturize your scalp. I've been having a lot of dry scalp because I live in New York, so obviously in the winter time, it's really not ideal to be wetting your hair a lot because again, dry scalp, itchy scalp, it's just repeating a cycle over and over again. We're in spring now though, so it's a little bit on the like medium side, like it literally decides every other day when it wants to be warm and it wants to be hot. I'm gonna put that in my hair just to give myself a little bit of extra moisture. The second thing I always put in my hair is this hair honey. The hair honey is another hydrate for more so like the ends. It does work in the roots as well, but it's more so like and really oily like consistency once it goes on your hand. So I kind of use it more for like the shine and to moisturize like my ends rather than the roots, because that's what this is for. The second product that I always put in my hair is this Curl Quench oil. It's Curl Quench curl milk. It's basically like hair lotion but a little bit thicker. I usually, sorry, I'm trying to talk fast. I usually use hair lotion, like it's literally called hair lotion, so it's a little bit watered down of a base, but it's basically the same thing, just a little bit thicker, and I love this smell. That's why I went with this one. So I'm also gonna put this down in the description below. I'm just trying to show you guys and give you guys the process, because after this I'm just gonna do a time lapse of just showing you guys the steps to make it simpler and more like, you know, step-by-step process. That's why I'm like giving you guys the rundown right now. That is the last step though. This is Defining Curl Custard by Aunt Jackie's. Again, it's Curl Lala. I love this lavender smell. I'm always gonna get this one. Okay, so now that I've showed you guys all of the products, oh, and this is just an extra. I use this as like the medium between this and this. Like if this had, like literally if these two had a child, I feel like it would be this. This is just a really thicker consistency. So yeah, that's why I said that one's like an extra. But we are actually now gonna get into the time-lapsed portion of this, and then at the end I will show you guys obviously the final product, how I kind of like style for the day, what you guys can do with it. So let's get into that time lapse now. Okay guys, so basically I'm gonna try to do this fast. First, I separated my hair. I put one side up, and then I oiled the other side really good. I made sure that I had the honey come next. Moisturized my hair, made sure I sealed all that in with the lotion, and then I put my custard on. Once I got the custard in my hair, I used some water, put that on the paddle brush, comb through it, or brush through it. And then, once you're done with that one, I use the other one to just lightly go through it. Then I use my hands, do the same thing to the other side. Oil, honey, lotion, custard, brush comb, repeat, and bing bang, you got nice, curly, juicy, wet hair. A bow. Okay, so real quick, before I show you guys the finished product, I basically, after my hair is all soaked and I've brushed it, I put on one of these. Now, before I tell you what these are, when I was younger and I first started my curl journey, I was obviously on YouTube going crazy trying to figure out how to start a curl pattern. And I came across a girl telling me to wrap my hair at night in a t-shirt after I do it, after like I do my steps, because the t-shirt material usually like holds in the moisture for the curls, so you don't wake up with that like dry, pushed in. You'll understand in a second. So my mom's client started this product around that same time, and this was a while ago, and I think this is actually the first one that I ever got. This is like more the newer model, but they're called T-owls, t-shirt towels, get it? But yes, this literally, this is another one. I think I have 3 if I'm not mistaken. This was the first one. I do love it. It's literally the stretchiest thing. I'll show you guys this one when I take my hair down too. But this one is literally just a little bit smaller. I feel like this is for like more short curly hair. Like an actual like wrap, because it never really fully covered my head. If you notice, like it always left like something like this. So about a year or 2 later, she gave, well, didn't give my mom, but my mom gave me the newer one, and might I motherfucking say, I haven't used the t-shirt since, and it honestly works a little bit better because the t-shirt, you have to use, I'm gonna show you, because I care that much. So when I was younger, I would take a big t-shirt like this, shout out to my school, I love you. I would take it like this. I would do this on a solid something. I would go like that, and then you take the sleeves. Let's see if I can like this. You take the sleeves and you tie it, and you have literally something like this. But it used to be so annoying because, one, I'm using my night t-shirts for this, and you're stretching the F out of my sleeves. but it's just, it wasn't giving. Like, this stretches. This, not going far. So that, you know, a little bit of the technology she put in definitely was worth it. And like, as you see, this is really a part of my routine though. Like, this is not a paid ad. However, it is an ad, not paid though. This is literally based off my life. And honestly, yeah, this is my go-to. This is when my hair is dry. Like, if I didn't do nothing, I'm just gonna throw you on, call it a day. But when I actually like do my hair, this is what I definitely always put on. Like, this right here. So like I said, I'm gonna go not really get ready, because this is the get ready. I'm gonna let this sit for a little. I might reconvene literally just before my interview, so I'll see you in a little. Okay, so forgot to show the final product. But I'm just gonna put some edges, obviously. Get my shit looking fucking flame. And that's it. I'm about to get ready for this interview. Nah, but for real though, like, comment, subscribe, you know. I'll be doing more stuff like this right here. And a little bit of cooking and a little bit of dancing and a little bit of getting to the bag. So you'll be seeing more of me. Let me know if you want any more tutorials on my curls. I could definitely give you guys wash day, all that, how to comb out your hair. Like, no, seriously though, have a great day. Turn up, stay cute, and